Pinocchio wooden boy. Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my Pinocchio coloring page. Ta-da! I hope you guys follow along with me and give me something to do with marker, a green paper and some craft tools. So let's get ready because I'll get started right now. Okay, so let's start on his face first. He has blue eyes. His tongue is pink. And the inside of his mouth is dark red. Let's make his hair black. Okay, so let's color in his skin cream colored. I'm gonna color in his hat dark yellow with a blue band and a red feather on it. Pinocchio has a blue cutie bow. And let's make his shirt yellow, white, and dark blue. And his overall is red with yellow button and blue accent. I'm gonna color in his book gray and blue. And lastly, let's make his suit red brown. And I'm finished color in Pinocchio. Next, let's collage and frame the picture. So I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cool. I love all the pretty color of his clothes. Pinocchio is one pretty boy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I will see you next time. Bye!